Polokwane City head coach Puji Mohafe expressed his satisfaction with the star player Austin Apolis's performance, despite a slow start in their 2-0 victory over Magesi FC in the Limpopo derby on Saturday. The win propelled the City to the top of the Betway Premiership standings, with veteran striker Boleng Tulane opening the scoring in the 30th minute before Spusiso Tabalala sealed the result against the league newcomers. Apolis, a Bafana Bafana international, has been linked with moves to North African clubs and local giants Mamelodi Sundowns and Kaizer Chiefs. However, after his transfer fell through, the forward remains a key play for Polokwane City. Coach Mohafe acknowledged Apolis' importance to the team, noting that his presence strengthens their ambitions this season. Mohafe said he didn't start well in his post-match press conference, but by the 20th or 25th minute, we started to see the real Apolis, threatening the opposition and tracking back to defend. I can say he was good on the day. Mohafe also highlighted the boost provided by keeping both Apolis and Tabang Matuludi at the club, emphasizing their impact on the squad's cohesion and performance, and said their availability makes us stronger than last season, and it gives us hope. We believe we can challenge for something this season, maybe one of the cups, as part of our growth and improvement as a team. With their current form, the Rise and Shine camp appears optimistic about competing for honors as they set their sights on a successful campaign. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.